Hey guys. So, I wanted to go through and make a quick video on some of the things that you might have heard about with the AP exam, and also, honestly, just to check in on you guys to make sure everyone's doing okay. Hopefully, your spring break is not an apocalyptic one, but instead one that's actually kind of nice and restful and relaxation. Remember what I said before about this whole coronavirus thing. One, wash your hands. Two, don't touch your face. Three, practice social distancing. If you want a good way of practicing social distancing, you might want to pick up one of these belts. That's great. I've treated this break as a break. I've been playing a lot of board games. A lot of board games. It's great because I get to hang out with this little guy. This is something that's I've been taking this opportunity of being stuck inside to spend quite a bit of time with my son. That's what I've been doing. What you guys are probably interested in is how is this going to affect the AP exams? I wanted to go over that today. This came out a couple of days ago. What are the changes that are going to be made? Because obviously, with the state of the world that it is, we're going to not be gathering 100 people together in a single room. Instead, what they are going to do is have exams at home. Since these are going to be exams at home, it's not going to be the traditional format. Having a multiple choice type test at home can just lead to a lot of people Googling answers, a lot of people kind of taking it all together and being like, hey, what'd you get for 16? B? I think it's B as well. Awesome. B it is. Instead, what they're going to do is have a 45-minute exam. So it's a little bit tighter. You're not going to have a whole lot of time to actually do things like Google Answers, discuss things. You have 45 minutes, and it is going to be 100% free response. There's going to be no multiple choice section. These questions are going to be crafted in such a way that it's not going to be easily Googled. You can't just Google an answer and copy and paste it. They're going to make sure that there's going to be plagiarism detectors. That way, you take your answer, someone else gets the exact same one, uh, copy and paste it over to someone else. Not going to be able to do that. 45 minutes, free response. No multiple choice questions. What they have done with a lot of AP classes is basically cut back the material that's going to be tested on. For us, I'll get into exactly what that means later on. You are going to be able to take this on a computer, tablet, or smartphone. I'm going to suggest doing it on your Chromebook. It's going to be a lot easier to type things in. You are also going to need to take photos of any written work, anything that requires you to do calculations. Remember the keyword, if it says calculate, you need to show all your work. Even if it doesn't say that, make sure to write down all your work. You're going to be taking a picture of it, uploading that to the exam. If it's just something that you can type out, just words only, feel free to do that. But remember, if you're not a word type person and you are a drawing type person, you are still going to be able to draw out the thing and upload that image. I'm going to put several of these free response. I believe it's going to be the same format where there will be text boxes and things that you can upload an image. Play around with it, see if you can't upload an image. That way, whenever you get to the exam, you're not going to be blindsided with, I don't know how to do the thing. If you want more information on what this means for all your other classes, you can check out the AP Central website, and you'll have all of this information given to you. For chemistry specifically, we're only going to be testing over units 1 through 7. I'm going to go through that what specifically that means later on. Units 8 and 9 are not going to be tested. There are going to be tons of free live AP review courses. If you don't like what I do as far as teaching, there's going to be other teachers around the world helping you out. We're going to be doing this. I'm going to be putting up a bunch of videos as well. I'm going to be basically assigning a bunch of stuff on the AP Central website. If you have questions, email me in Canvas and I can get back with you. For those of you that may not have internet access, the you would need to contact AP Central yourself, and they can somehow get you a workaround. Here's the phone number: 877-247-6474. Chemistry specifically, what does that mean for us? Well, it's only going to be the first 7 units. So we are we've already covered the first 7 units in class. So you guys should be fully prepared for this. We were halfway through Unit 8 whenever the craziness started. Everything from Unit 7 and up is going to be on the test. Everything from Unit 8 and lower is not going to be tested on. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to start at Unit 1. I'm going to switch and go straight review mode now. I'm going to start at Unit 1, and I'm going to put a small 10-minute, 10 to 20-minute lecture on each topic for Unit 1. So if we go down all the way to Unit 1, the first topic is going to be moles and molar mass. I'm going to go through, do a short lecture over this. I may give a question or two, work through some practice problems, give some sort of assignment, because this is not going to be actually graded on each of these topics, or some of these topics may be combined into a single assignment. I'm going to give one lecture per all of these things, and hopefully that will help prepare you for the exam. Like I said, I want to have some sort of actual one-on-one conversations with you guys. Be on the lookout for more information on that. I think right now I'm going to just be blasting everything out through Canvas. I'm wanting to get a resource list going to kind of combine, have one kind of repository for all of Khan Academy videos, for all of the AP Central stuff, all of my videos, assignments that need to be done. If I see a good worksheet or something that may help you out, I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to try to put anything and everything I can on Canvas for you to actually go through and do that. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, ask me. Once I'm done with videos on all of the stuff for the AP exam, I am going to go through and just put a whole bunch of more videos on acid-base equilibria and entropy, enthalpy, and electrochemistry. Those topics, buffer systems, acid-base equilibria, entropy, Gibbs free energy, and electrochemistry will not be on the exam, but they are going to be important if you, for college, for moving on. So those are things that you need to know. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Have a good one. See you guys later.